Hey guys, Happy New Year. So it's the time of year where a lot of us are sort of refocusing on our healthy habits and trying to get more exercise in and trying to eat a little bit better. So I pull out a little tool every time the new year rolls around that I think is really helpful. I got this at the Diabetes Treatment Center at Bon Secours Mercy Health System years ago. And the nutritionist there was doing a session for diabetics and their caregivers to talk to us about an easy way to kind of make sure you're getting enough fiber and protein and trying to keep within carb limits if your doctor or nutritionist has set carb limits for you for a healthy diabetic diet. So I think about this when I'm making plates, when I'm fixing dinner, when I'm meal planning. And this time of year, it's really helpful to start thinking about it. So a quarter of your plate is protein. That's what's really gonna help you stay full and give you energy. And that's your lean meats, your chicken and your beef and your pork and your fish, okay, is gonna take up a quarter of your plate. Then the whole grains, so your sweet potatoes and your rice and your whole grain pastas, the starches are just a quarter of your plate. And then half your plate you're gonna fill with fruit and vegetables. So at dinner time, I really focus on filling half the plate with a fresh green salad or with steamed green beans or broccoli or two different types of vegetables so that we're really filling up on a low carb, high fiber, really nutritious food source, fruits and vegetables up here, and then we're limiting the starch, and then we're making sure we get in our full serving of protein. So I hope that's helpful to you. If you focus on that with lunches and dinners, especially over the next few weeks, I think you'll really feel good about your diet, and if that's a change in how you've been eating, keeping those New Year's resolutions. So take care, guys, and I'll see you soon.